You may have seen other videos about Aleo, but you should definitely watch this one to the end. I will explain in simple terms why this project is interesting to many, what kind of technology it promotes, and how you can make money. We are not dealing with a new project in this review. Aleo has been around for several years. You can find proof of that on the blog on the website, namely by the date of the first publication, 19 of August 2021. Although the tweet was created back in 2019, we will return to it a little later. As the project itself states in an article, Aleo was originally designed in 2016 as a research project for programmable zero-disclose. The company was officially founded in 2019 by Howard Wu, Michael Beller, Colin Chin, and Raymond Chu. Aleo is a blockchain platform that enables the use of neural networks to protect user privacy and store data in an encrypted form. The goal of the project is to ensure privacy and data security in the Internet of Things (IoT), where privacy protection is a particularly acute problem. The Aleo project uses the Rust programming language to write smart contracts and the zero-knowledge proof algorithm to protect data. In addition, the Aleo project has its own cryptocurrency Aleo, which can be used to make transactions on the platform. But first things first. The Aleo project is currently under development and testing, but there are already several applications using its technology. For example, Aleo's own storage network is in beta testing, and there are several projects using Aleo to protect IoT data. We can see this from the blog articles. The most recent article says that there is an active testnet now. By the way, it's an incentive one called Provers. This is already testnet 3, which is in the next one before the launch of the main Aleo network. It is a problem of privacy protection that the project wants to solve. But how? Have you ever heard of zero-knowledge proof? Probably not. But imagine that in order to get to the site, you do not need to enter a password. You just tell the site you know the password and it lets you in. But is it safe, you ask? Yes, I'll answer, and here is why. Zero-knowledge proof, ZKP, is a mathematical protocol that allows you to prove certain statements to be true without revealing any other information. In other words, it is a method by which you can prove your identity or knowledge of some information without revealing the information itself. For example, you could prove that you know the password to your account without revealing the password itself. It may also be possible to prove that you have rights to access a certain resource without revealing how you curate those rights. ZKP can be used in many different industries. For example, in blockchain, ZKP can be used to protect private information in smart contracts. In particular, the ZKP can be used to confirm that the execution of a particular smart contract took place without disclosing any information other than confirming that the contract was fulfilled. In the context of Aleo, ZKP is a key component of their data protection technology. In particular, Aleo uses ZKP to protect sensitive information on the Internet of Things. They do this by using ZKP algorithms to prove the truth of data claims without disclosing the data itself. Overall, ZKP is a powerful tool for protecting private information and proving the truth of claims in a secure way without revealing details. Let me give you an example from life to help someone understand how it works in case you don't. Suppose you want to prove to a friend that you know the password to your social network account, but you don't want to reveal it. You can use zero knowledge proof to show that you know the password without revealing it. For example, your friend could ask you to enter password on his computer using an application that does not save passwords but remembers whether or not you entered the correct password. Once you enter the password, the app applies a zero knowledge proof to confirm that you know the correct password. And it tells your friend that you know it without revealing the password itself. This allows you to prove your identity and knowledge of your password without distorting sensitive information. As the project states, rather than relinquishing control over your personal data, web services will talk about it without actually seeing it. Web services will no longer need to store sensitive data. Thus, neither the user nor the service provider will know more than they should, and control over personal data will stay with the user. The approach rethinks both the privacy guarantees offered by services and the way users think about their data. This paradigm will fundamentally change the way the internet works. Aleo have also created their own programming language, Rust. It is a relatively new language designed specifically for writing safe and efficient programs. Rust has many advantages, in particular high efficiency and speed of execution, a strong system that allows errors to be detected before the program starts, built-in support for multi-threading and parallel data processing, high protection against different types of attacks. In the context of Aleo, the Rust programming language is used to write smart contracts that support zero knowledge proof, which we discussed in detail earlier. It is the algorithm that is used to create privacy transactions and ensure data privacy on the Aleo blockchain. With Rust and ZKP, Aleo can provide the speed, efficiency, and security of execution smart contracts, as well as proof of identity and data privacy, which is important for businesses and private users. On 20th April 2021, the project made an article revealing that it had raised $28 million to build the next generation platform for decentralized private applications. The round was led by Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, with participation from Placeholder VC, Galaxy Digital, Variant Capital, and Coinbase Ventures. Other notable investors include Polychain Capital, Slow Ventures, Decrypt Capital, Scalar Capital, A Capital, ZK Validator, Balaji Srinivasan, and Ethereal Ventures founded by Joseph Lubin. The tokenomics of the Aleo coin are based on the Aleo token, which is an ERC20 standard token on the Ethereum network. The volume of tokens is limited to 100 million, of which 15% will be allocated for network reserve, 25% for network security, and 30% for creation and supporting application development. In addition, 10% of the tokens will be allocated for user rewards and 20% for voting on network proposals. Aleo tokens are used to create a reserve fund and support the project ecosystem. The reward system for mining includes variable rewards depending on the capacity of the network and the number of miners. This ensures that the network is sustainable and supports the activities of the miners. Aleo tokens are also used to reward users who interact with the network, as well as to vote on proposals for network development. This allows the Aleo community to make collaborative decisions and develop the network according to its needs and requirements. Aleo uses a proof of work mining mechanism to ensure that the network is secure and decentralized. For each block, the network rewards miners with earnings in the form of new Aleo tokens. For using zero-knowledge proof technology, network users will pay commissions in the form of Aleo tokens. The Aleo team is quite diverse and consists of experienced developers, researchers, and professionals from different industries. The Aleo team actively cooperates with well-known blockchain organizations and communities such as Ethereum and Zcash, which allows the ecosystem to expand and develop the project by interacting with other industry players. The Aleo team also has an advisory board that includes experienced experts from various industries including blockchain, finance, law, and others. In general, the Aleo team is quite qualified and experienced with a wide range of skills and diverse visions for project development. I think they are succeeding in this at the moment. If you look at the project, considering the idea and the mission, it is a serious player on the market that can really change the data ownership structure. You and I, as users, will only benefit from this. Follow the project Twitter not to miss any news. Check out the testnet, the link to which I'll leave. Follow the project Twitter not to miss any news. Check out the testnet, the link to which I leave in the description. And subscribe to my channel not to miss any new videos.